Good morning. Guess what's for breakfast? Oh, yummy Spam. Well, we made it through the night. It got down to about 45 is what we think. We got a thermometer in the van and that's what it was showing when we got up. And Selena bought this can of Spam for me a while back. And I haven't bust into it. I haven't had Spam for seems like a lifetime. So we're gonna cook it up here this morning and see how it is. In the lid to our cast iron stove. Lid to our Dutch oven. Cook that up, and I think we have some eggs too. Don't we have some eggs?
Yep.
And yeah, why not? Spam, it's what's for dinner. I actually used to eat Spam when I was a kid. I didn't mind it. I'm thinking that you're not going to like it.
I like it if it's cooked.
Do you?
Yeah.
It's kind of like bacon, I guess, maybe. So let's fire up this single burner stove and get it going. I think I'll just dump it in there and then cut it once it's in there.
I think you're better off to cut it first.
And of course she thinks to do the opposite, so that's how we operate.
That's 22 years right there. Different opinion.
She says I'm 22 years old.
Yeah, 22 years older than I am.
Oh. Can't see a darn thing this morning with the sun. We'll try that. That may stick, I don't know. Feels like it's gonna stick. Couple of these are, I think these are just about done.
Okay.
Which three you want? Whatever three I scoop out for you.
Yeah, okay.
I'll give you the three burnt ones.
Okay.
Let me know what you think.
Thank you. Oh, there's more paper plates right there.
Okay. Time to make some more coffee too. Well, she's eaten hers and she hasn't complained or anything, so it must be okay.
Hi, buddy.
We got a bunch of ashes on this thing from when we put the fire out. All right, here we go. Spam, first time in probably over 30 years. Good.
Not bad.
Very salty. A lot of sodium in Spam.
Oh, yeah.
It actually, I mean, it just tastes like ham, which is what it is to me.
Kind of a hot dog of ham.
Yeah,
Okay, want a bite?
it tastes like, it actually almost tastes like a hot dog.
A little bit.
A little bit saltier, I think, even
Oh,
than a
yeah.
hot dog. Good though. When you're hungry, out in the mountains, and that's all you brought, it's pretty darn good.
Ah,
Wow, I'm really surprised how salty it really is.
I think that's what I remember the most about Spam. It's been, shoot, I probably haven't had it since I was a kid. So like 10 years or
You
so.
want to try a piece? No complaints for Ruger on it. That would be good mixed up in a
Omelet.
in an egg omelet.
Oh, are you back for another bite? Okay. you
I
sure?
like it, but man, it can't be very good for you with all that sodium.
Oh,
in
I'm
there.
sure it's not. It's a good little treat every now and then, though.
Yeah. Maybe next time we'll pick up one of those exotic flavors because they've got, I don't know, a bunch of
Yeah.
different types. I'd like to try a hot jalapeno one or something.
I almost bought that for you, but I thought, no, if I'm gonna get it, I better just stick with the original because you're so picky.
It's better than I remembered,
Maybe just because you haven't had it in so long.
I guess. Of course, I don't
don't know.
really remember any details about it. I just remember eating it when I was a kid. I think
Right.
probably with my grandpa.
Yeah. Well, my mom used to eat it all the time, but like I said, she didn't cook it.
Cold, right out of the can, huh?
Oh, disgusting.
I don't think I would like that very much.
I
It's
didn't.
edible, it's cooked or whatever, but
Yeah. And every once in a while, Dad would fry some up, and that's when I would eat it. But I didn't ever eat it just out of the can.
pretty good. We'll try corned beef hash next time too.
Never had that.
Well, hey guys, that's going to wrap up our weekend on this camping trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.
See ya.